Do not take a video of me taking a piss, dude. Hey, this is private information.
Hey, what's going on, fellow gamers? It's Jack V here. We're going fucking fishing, dude. We're about to head to the fucking pond right now. We'll see you when you get there.
Get out of the road!
Fucking banging you, we do!
Oh, fuck.
Ready to get some fishing in?
Fuck yeah, dude!
Yeah, there we go, Bob.
Try pond one. Fuck it, dude.
Alright, first step. We gotta determine
Oh, no!
the temperature of the water. You do that.
Oh, my.
It's about 47 degrees.
All right, Kenny. So we're on the first cast. You want to tell them what's going on today? What pond we fishing? What are we looking for?
We're in fucking pond one, dude. Nice little pond. There's only fucking bass in here. We're throwing around a little Ned with a fucking skirt on it. Fucking green pumpkin color. We're gonna do our best. I mean, it's cold. Fall in Maine's pretty cold. As you can see, I'm dressed appropriately. I got the flops on. But we're gonna try to catch a couple here for you.
Second cast. Tell them what just happened.
This fucking tree here was looking like a bass for a second, so I hooked it and snapped right off, dude.
Got to get another net on.
Throwing another fucking net on, but this is a good opportunity for me to show you what I'm throwing. Something like this, a little Ned head, a little weedless god, and a little green pumpkin tail. I'm probably gonna switch that out to this, but it's where she fucking goes.
Well, the first spot didn't pan out too well.
Nope.
Where are we going to go?
We're going to the next fucking spot, dude.
Next pond. We're at the next pond. What can we hope to find here?
Well, in this pond, we got yellow fucking perch, we got some stock brookies, we got some largemouth bass, and that's about fucking it, dude. They ain't fucking easy to get to bite. As you can see, the water's pretty fucking clear, but you never know, we might sling a couple today.
I got a good feeling. Oh my fucking God.
Must have been a leaf.
Want to get to the next spot?
Next spot. Next spot. You see one?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. Where was the bass?
Right exactly there. 42 kilometers out.
42 kilometers out. So now we're across the tracks. We're at our favorite pond. This is it.
Oh, fuck yeah, buddy. The
Two.
visibility's looking pretty good today. My diabetes isn't looking very good today, but I think we're gonna catch him. What's up, you little fucking pussy poppers? Okay, so a lot of people I see out fishing, they use fucking pliers. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? This is how you tie your fucking new line on. See the lure? You do this. This is 50-pound test. Like that. Don't be a bitch.
So backflip just called. He insulted your fishing abilities. And what just happened?
Well, you know what I think about that? I don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I got a tiny dick and I'm proud of it. And I suck at fishing and I'm proud of it.
Gotta go faster than that if you're ever gonna find them. Are you alright, guy?
I think I fractured my thumb.
Hey, man. Oh, take it easy.
They say fishing is an extreme sport. You know what I tell those people? They're fucking pussies.
It's okay, I didn't get it on video. Did you run track and field or something, dude?
Yeah, fastest in fucking all of New England.
God damn.
Well, that shit was a fucking bust. We came out here for like 3 fucking hours, tossed our fucking nets around, fucking nothing. I don't know what these fish want. I don't know what I want. I hate my life. Goodbye.